Pleasant greetings. My name is Boba, Oye Atọwọda. Oludumare, the embodiment of divine essence and cosmic energy, holds a paramount position within the sacred tapestry of Yoruba tradition. As a wise spiritual master, I shall impart knowledge about Oludumare in a manner befitting its profound significance. Oludumare, the Supreme Being, is the epitome of divine wisdom and the ultimate source of all existence. From the depth of primordial void, Oludumare birthed the cosmos, orchestrating the intricate dance of creation. With infinite power and boundless love, Oludumare crafted the heavens, the earth, and all beings that dwell within. In the grand cosmic design, Oludumare assumes the role of an omnipotent and omniscient force, surpassing the limitations of human comprehension. Oludumare is beyond gender and form, yet pervades every corner of the universe, guiding the flow of life and destiny. It is the divine energy that sustains the order and balance of all things, infusing each being with a spark of its essence. While Oludumare remains transcendent and distant from the mundane affairs of mortals, it manifests through intermediaries known as orishas. These divine emissaries, embodiment of specific aspects of Oludumare's power, serve as conduits between the Supreme Being and humanity. Through devotion, rituals, and offerings, individuals seek the favor and blessings of the orishas, thus establishing a connection to Oludumare's divine grace. Oludumare encompasses virtues that mirror its lofty position. It personifies wisdom, illuminating the path of righteousness and enlightenment. Oludumare embodies justice, ensuring that the consequences of actions are met with fairness and equity. Benevolence flows from its essence, showering compassion upon its creations. To understand Oludumare is to recognize our place within the grand tapestry of existence. It is an invitation to embrace humility, awe, and reverence for the divine forces that govern our lives. By acknowledging Oludumare's presence and aligning our actions with its divine principles, we strive to harmonize with the cosmic order, fulfilling our destinies and attaining spiritual elevation. May the wisdom of Oludumare guide you on your spiritual journey, illuminating your path and enriching your soul with its divine essence. Manifest your destiny. Move mountains.